I don't need validation to tell me who I am. I'm human. I live the equation, and I've learned to understand. There's no such thing as limitation.
Hi guys, welcome back to Deirdre's World. That's right, Mara. And in today's video, well, as you can tell from the title, I'll be telling you guys about my experience first time traveling. So okay guys, where should I start? Start first. Okay, I'm going to start. Let's start from me reaching the airport, checking in and all of that. Alright, so checking in, not much about checking in. The line with me did I forget because first time traveling, I travel first class, and the line I'm going on, but never really did a first class line. Maybe because I did have a flight never really early, but it was like what 1 o'clock flight I did have, yeah. So yeah, when I check in and I do, I pass all the security check, then I go upstairs, sit down. Well, I go in the VIP lounge, and I tell you no VIP lounge. Oh my god, let me tell you guys, like, but I travel first class again, man. I lie, just for the VIP, just for the lounge, because I can't eat as much as I want, drink as much as I want. But one thing I never like about first class are them food. Them food never tastes nice. But overall, my experience flying was great. And if we have people talk about us say, yeah, the ears to your ears are gonna pop. Well, them not really say that, but if we all them talk it, they make it seem like say if you have bunk on my ears are gonna, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't worry about that. That's the only thing I don't really worry about when I did come on the plane. But to be honest guys, when it would have come like you dip on two hole and one window up and one window down, and your ears just cock up basically, and you have to hold your nose and blow for you, unplug it. That I see him feeling you get when you take off. And when the plane just lift off, like my body just feel heavy. If not I right word me for you, but that's how my body felt, heavy. And when we reach Antigua, I never do know how much Antigua we reach. But I try get something to eat. It's something I did buy, I never like it. It's called what? Something wrap, I don't remember, but I never like it. So I'm gonna have, excuse me, so I'm gonna have to end up throwing it away. Then my other one, pizza. Pizza never bad. Pizza never bad. I did enjoy eating the pizza, but I never eat it because it was so big. So yeah, and I like one night I stay. I'm gonna go with the next morning. I left Antigua around, wake up around 5 because I did have about 6 o'clock flight or 10, I don't really remember. But I left week early, so I'm gonna reach the airport, check in and all of that. No, when we reach St Kitts, guys. St Kitts, I love, well, I'm not gonna say one thing, but I love enough things about St Kitts and Nevis, but one thing that I love, I don't know where come at Jamaica, well, if I know, yeah, well, I don't know where Jamaica I come from. I don't know how traffic thing go on at Jamaica, especially on a Friday, like, I eat down in traffic. There's no traffic there, like literally no traffic. I did enjoy a little driving up and down with no traffic. It just, if you want to reach somewhere by 7, them time they best believe you're gonna reach. No traffic, not gonna hold it up, nothing. And them food, even though I'm a very picky eater, yeah, I'm a picky eater, but I'm a foodie as well. Them food, I enjoy them food. Something I never did really, I never like when I eat. I never, everything I did get for eat, I did like them. I did love them barbecue chicken. I did love them barbecue ribs, and them barbecue ribs would come like jerk chicken. The only difference is the sauce. Mentally, the sauce is nice. I'm supposed to have a video of the chicken. I'm gonna see if I can find it, and I'm gonna insert it somewhere up here, somewhere on the screen. I enjoy the barbecue chicken. I enjoy the barbecue ribs. I enjoy the chicken, the shrimp pasta, and guys, them beach nice. And unlike Jamaica, when you really have a heap of free beach, all of Nevis and St Kitts Beach, you don't have to pay for going on them. All of them free, and like people hardly go beach there. And mostly like people who are tourists and come and go beach. Because when we did go beach, well, the first time when we did go beach, we couldn't go in the water because rain did fall, and me tell you, you wave them, did I be ever wave? I can't swim, so like no one drown. And if we can find a video how to wave them, because I have a video. If we can find none of that, we can insert it as well, guys. Yeah, if we not like literally the beach, them private but them not private. If we not get honest, so I'm sorry, them private but them not private. I mean, you never see nobody on the beach when you go there, so basically, you have your own little privacy. Because with the second time I went, I was the only one on the beach, and but I enjoy myself. Even though I can't see, but I do my look swimming, but I enjoy myself. Yeah. So guys, and I enjoy the tours. The mom did couple. It was amazing, guys. And tell me why. The first week of me being there, when tropical storms have to come, like, Nicole, why you did that to me? And I was so excited for that week because I was supposed to do skiing, I was supposed to do dirt biking, I was supposed to do what's the other thing, zip lining, I was supposed to do I don't remember what else I was supposed to do, but I was supposed to do a lot of things that week, but I didn't get to do it, and I was so sad. But guys, next time when we go there or travel anywhere else, because like I like traveling. Even though I had traveled one time, it was a great experience. You get to see other people's culture, you get to see how other people are live, you get to see, just I get to experience life. And when you travel, you make you have a different outlook on life. So yeah, I really want to travel to other Caribbean islands, and I really want to go back to St Kitts Antiga. So yeah, anytime. And guys, why I never really did even vlog when I was there. I am so shy. I'm super shy, and I promise I'm gonna try to get over that so I can vlog in public. Like, I'm shy, bad. Like, I don't like when people to stare me down, because I know I can overthink things. And yes, so that's why I never did really vlog much. But the little time that I was there, I really enjoyed and met the peace and quiet. Guys, I enjoyed it. And one thing I learned so much there, like, but one thing I'm sure about them of this program, what is it called again? Something peace, like there is no crime there. Yes, there's not really any crime there. Like, you can literally go up on the road and leave your door open. Like, not physically not physically wide open, but you can go up on the road and leave your door open, like no lock it or nothing. You can leave your key in your car, like you can do the whole 9 yards. Like, yes, I'm like let's see what else I'm missing out, guys. Sorry, my brain just all over the place. Like, I did have an idea what I did want to talk about, but it gone out of my head for some reason. Like, guys, like I should have just write down one of like the main parts that I wanted to talk about. I should have just write them down, because honestly, guys, I don't know. Anyways, but guys, I'm gonna be telling about formula again. Like, oh my god, like, oh my god, guys, formula. I love formula. When I go back, I have to drink formula again. Like, guys, formula. And the best part about it, you don't have no hangover. You can drink formula, pop it. See, next morning you wake up for go work, you're good. You are good. No hangover. I'm gonna taste and drink when I'm active. But active strong. Formula strong, you know. Strong, them strong, like. You see, if you're a person who loves strong drink, active and formula, are for you. It's for you. And you can find active and formula and Nevis. As in my previous vlog, when I did the interview with Taj, anytime I travel St Kitts and Nevis, I want to do in Nevis. Because I know say Nevis sister island to St Kitts, I think. I'm not sure. Why may I give her? I think so. But anyways, that's beside the point. Anytime on a day in a Nevis, just ask for Taj. I wanna get the good room them, like, huh? I love formula. I'll drink formula at parties, like, guys. And tell me why after me got here, Jada got there. No, like, she did go there before me did go there, and by the time me got there, she wasn't there anymore. Then when me come back to Jamaica, Jada Kingdom gonna St Kitts. Like, tell me why that happened to me. I'm hurt, because I was like, but it hurt, guys, because, like, honestly, she did that, but I really want to go to concerts or show, because I never see she perform. Well, I don't think I've ever seen any artist perform before. But guys, but it hurt. I was hurt. Yeah, but it hurt, guys. I'm gonna try to figure out what else more and touch upon, and I can't remember. What else more on that one? Oh, guys, and me, it was this here. Guys, I never did stay at St Kitts. I was in Nevis. Like, Nevis, I mean, St Kitts is where the movie theater is, the KFC, and yeah, St Kitts are where all of them made. Oh, as I said, KFC, guys, I'm not really a big fan of KFC, but me tell you, then KFC, it don't rot. It is good. It actually is good. The only thing I never really like that burger, it's just one little more salt, but then give one little something, two little something so with salt. So you could have, if you want more salt, you could have sprinkle it over. But guys, things them just pop up back in my head. I did try Jamaican food, one Jamaican restaurant there, I don't know if it's our St Kitts. I think I don't know if it's, I'm not remember. I think either Nevis or St Kitts. Yeah, Nevis. On Jamaican food in Nevis, guys. Baby, let me tell you. I'm gonna eat peas. I'm gonna like peas. And I know. I'm gonna like black bean. I remember eat black bean, rice and peas. Black peas, rice and peas before, sorry. And baby girl, let me tell you, when I got that black bean rice and peas, that black peas rice and peas, I ate it up. But I didn't eat the peas though, but I ate it up. Cause what? It was bomb. When I mean bomb, I mean bomb. And in pork, in roasted pork was mwah. But I did hurt. I never really get enough pork, you know. I did one. I was hurt about that. And them have jerk pork. This is one quite jerk pork, but they don't have it. Yeah, that's basically my experience traveling. But guys, I'm not really like travel alone. Once me have somebody in a plane that I can talk to. If you don't matter what show, you have somebody to talk to me look for the plane, because I'm kind of a talkative person, and me a struggle from the point. I'm gonna talkative and me to tell them about my experience. Like, girl, what's wrong with you? But anyways, here I'm not telling you guys. If you are Antigua night, beautiful. I mean beautiful, guys. I mean beautiful. Make an insert either a pic or a video. I'm telling them the view nice. I like them just pretty, and I'm like, yes, thank you. I'm glad me reach a night so I could have see that, like, hello. It was beautiful. Much me did reach a St Kitts at night, so I could have see it at night. Even though I'm glad to see it a day, but next time when I'm going back, I get to see it at night. Yep. Next time, and me guys, forgot to tell them this too. There's no straight flight from Jamaica to St Kitts, none. So we have one have to do, if you know. I know most people are gonna know this, but yeah, but travel from Jamaica to Antigua, then from Antigua to St Kitts and Mavis. Yeah, on a small plane, baby. The small plane. Like, I love window seats. Come, I can get for video and all of that and all that. Yeah, I'm gonna get window seat going to Antigua and going to St Kitts and Nevis. Anyway, guys, that was my experience traveling for the first time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to come and join Day Trees. Or I'm like, why not join the fam? Join the fam. And I really do appreciate the support that I'm receiving. I think you guys continue to keep subscribing. And guys, tell me what kind of video would I like, but still my do like, tell me, let me know. And I also have one nice video I'm gonna enjoy. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Mwah.